April Fool!
Hey, shout out Temek. Shout out Kamikaze. Shout out Ted.
Hello everyone, my name is Achmad. Today I'm explain how to install Windows with VMware. So, what is that VMware? VMware is virtualization software that you can use to create VMware virtual machine that allow you to create server, virtualization, computer, operating system, storage device, application, networks. First, you must have application VMware and click VMware. And you click create new virtual machine. Click custom advanced and next. Click installer this image. Here you have to prepare ISO file Windows 10. After that, click file and click open and next. Microsoft Windows and click version choose Windows 10 version, click next. After that, click next, 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 and next. Click use network address translation, next, next, next. Create new virtual disk and next. I'm using 20 GB and click next. Click next. After all and select finish. Here have to wait and after click start. You successfully booting, then the Windows logo will usually like with loading circle. Then you can make language setting during installation time and click next. If you are sure, just click install now. Select the type of Windows 10 that you want to install, click the next. You just need active the checklist on acceptation of terms. Next, custom, click next.
This process is little long and I will speed up.
You know what I'm saying? It's really easy. It's really easy if you think about it. Ay. Candy stove, sweet like sugar. Down south, shot it. She a looker. Ay, from the dirty, let us crook it. It's a bag, better book it. See the pigs, better book it. I ain't looking stupid on the late night, no. I used to get grounded, now I take flight, whoa. Sharks in the butter like a great white. Candy paint, what you think? Take it to the bank. Pulling rank, pouring drink, filling up the tank. Candy paint, what you think? Take it to the bank. Pulling rank, pouring drink, filling up the tank. Sweet like Zach and Cody, holy moly. I've been hit the ranch, now I need the broly. Been dressing, been impressive. Put up on that, she look rich, just a fake, I can see through. She pull up in that top, that's a see-through. Hit it once again, that's a sequel. I don't want no friends, I want seek notes. I was pre-vote. Candy paint, what you think? Take it to the bank. Pulling rank, pouring drink, filling up the tank. Candy paint, what you think? Take it to the bank. Pulling rank, pouring drink, filling up the tank. You wanna ball with me? Ball with me. Know I got my dogs with me. Dogs with me. Know the money calling me. Calling me. Know the money calling me. Calling me. Know you wanna ball with me? Ball with me. Know I got my dogs with me. Dogs with me. Know the money calling me. Calling me. Know the money calling me. Calling me. Just like candy paint, what you think? Take it to the bank. Pulling rank, pouring drink, filling up the tank. Candy paint, what you think? Take it to the
And process, you will be told to give a name and make password. After that, confirm your password. next. Yeah, this is your password. Click next. This confirm your password.
Lights is ignited and I just invited the baddies to see me like candy paint. What you think? Take it to the bank. Pulling rank, pouring drink, filling up the tank. Candy paint. What you think? Take it to the bank. Pulling rank, pouring drink, filling up the tank. You know what I'm saying?
At this stage, there are security questions for this account.
Ay, 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 ay. Candy stove, sweet like sugar. Down south, shot it.
Question 1.
Ay, from the dirty, let us cook it. It's a bag, better book it. See the pig, better book it.
Next.
Stupid on the late night, no.
Question 2.
Take flight, whoa. Sharks in the water like a great white.
Banjarmasin.
What you think? Take it to the bank.
Next.
Pulling rank, pouring drink, filling up the tank. Candy paint. What you think? Take it to the
Break.
bank. Pulling rank, pouring drink, filling up the tank. Sweet like Zack and Cody, holy moly. I've been head to ranch, now I need a broly. Been dressing, been impressive. Put up on that, she look rich, just a fake, I can see through. She pull up in that top, that's a see-through. Hit it once again, that's a sequel. I don't want no friends, I want seek notes. I was pre-vote. Candy paint, what you think? Take it to the bank. Pulling rank, pouring drink, filling up the tank.
It's done.
What you think? Take it to the bank. Pulling rank, pouring
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.